G'day viewers, well while I was in Taiwan I bought the old belt off this turntable. The last time I was using this, the belt just deteriorated. This turntable was so unreliable. So I took it apart, took the belt with me to Taiwan, and I found a nice component shop I always go to. This is an audio visual AV equipment specialist shop. And they it's called DFD, but every time I go to Taiwan I always go there and buy components. So I took this original belt off this with me, and because it was stretched I just matched it with a new belt, which is an inch shorter obviously. You got to compensate for the stretch to the old aged belt. I only found one on the shelf that guy had. He's got over 3,000 different belts for all sorts of hi-fi tape decks, beta machines, VCRs, turntables. I'll find millions of belts for this turntable, these newer turntables, but this one uses a shorter belt, which is just a prick of a size. I found one that's the right width, and I found another one just to check, and it's narrower, which is doesn't flip the speed between 45 and 33 as good because of the way that lever works. It kicks the belt down between the two speeds. The belt has to be a set width. So I found that one belt, last remaining belt on the shelf for the components that he had. So I would have got more, but he only had one there that's left. It's a Japanese quality belt. He does get them in from time to time, but some of the belts there they aren't manufactured anymore. So it's it was pretty tight in that motor, but because I replaced this motor, it's actually got plenty of torque and plays fine. I don't even have to touch the speed. The speed's good. It's good. It's very hard to find that belt. So I'm happy with how that turntable worked. I've got a nice, good, reliable turntable there now. My speaker refoam kit for these JBLs arrived. Midwest speaker repairs. Because JBL speakers, I've got to take the dust caps off to shim up the voice coils, because the tolerances on JBL speaker voice coils are very, very small. So if I carefully cut those dust caps off, I've got a new set of dust caps there. Got some shims, so I have to, here's my new surrounds. I'm going to glue the cone first, I think. These go on the back of the cone. To try and make it original, haven't done that before. I've always glued them on the front of the cone because it's easier. It's easier to do them on the front, and the back's kind of fiddly to get behind there. But I'll give it a go. I'll do it properly. The frame right on these is you definitely want to avoid using them because of the tight tolerances of the coils and the former and the speaker magnets. You don't want to scratch the windings. These sound lovely. I got them on this AWA. They sound good. I got a new set of tweeters for these as well. There's a speaker. There's a whole district in Taipei where I bought the belt for this from. It's just all AV equipment and home theatre equipment and car audio tech hub. If you need to build an electronic kit of any sort, this district in Taipei is where you're going to be. You've got everything you need, industrial and oscilloscope equipment, everything. It's a Shenzhen market, a Shenzhen market of Taipei, but they've got Western technology there as well, valves and everything. It's Western and Asian components. So I got these speakers, the new tweeters of these from a professional hi-fi speaker audio speaker manufacturer. I got some surrounds for these speakers, which I could not find online anywhere. I just told the guy at the shop in Taiwan my measurements, 16 centimeters, and he had some there, some new foams for these speakers, so it's good. He does all sorts of speaker rebuilds, speaker voice coil rewinds. There's a JBL service agent across the road there too that sell JBL speakers, professional and high quality ones as well, audio for proper American stuff. But this will be a long-term project. I think I've got to take my time with these. Half a jiggle between this and looking after my son, so I'll not rush these because I do want to get them perfect. I don't want to have any sort of flaws with these speakers because they do sound lovely. Then I'll move on to doing the cabinets, but I'll do that last. I'll do these first when I get time. Come to the repair glue. Now this is the The instructions are pretty easy. I just got to take my time. Yeah, pretty easy. The shims, pretty easy. It's nothing hard, not too hard. Black glue has about 30 days shelf life. The white glue has a shelf life of 6 months. Black glue. Ooh, what glue is that one? Has a shelf life of 30 days. Yikes. I don't know what that's a white or a blue one. A black one. Oh. I wonder if that's once I open it, it has a shelf life of 30 days. It must be, because it would be, I think. Yeah, I think once you open it, it has a shelf life of 30 days. That's what it's talking about. Have to be. So, yeah, I might do a video and I set my tripod up. It might be long, but it's a pretty interesting process. There's a bloke in Brisbane that does professional speaker repairs from home, but I can do it myself. I'm pretty confident. I'm pretty confident now. What I should actually get though is a scalpel, so I can precisely cut and remove the old surround and the dust cap off. Using the scalpel will probably be better. I can get a nice precise cut and not risk over cutting or messing up the cone. Just to keep the cosmetics really original and look good. Because when you have to peel off the old glue residue off the off the dust cap, and if you peel it off, it can rip the paper up, and you have tears on your first layer of every paper there. So this is here. Use a razor blade, chisel, and or an X-Acto knife. Oh, acetone may help on polycones. Or maybe, I'll probably try that, but I think I'm better off buying a scalpel. I want to get real precise in removing the old dust caps and not risk leaving stuff behind. Because these are nice. I like the way JBL speakers look, especially the cute little voice coil, where the leads with the voice coil go. Sometimes I stick out between here and here, a little short, on their bigger ones, those models of speakers. It just looks so cute. That's what I like with JBL speakers. Anyway, I can't seem to find a way to set my channel. All across my whole channel is just a general audience. That way anyone can watch my videos, because having to select change every time I upload a video saying whether it is for kids or not for kids. Well, if I say it is for kids, I'll have to keep it kid friendly, but I'm not making kid videos. But if I'm swearing sometimes, well, would that qualify as my video not being kid friendly? I don't know. It's best to say my videos are not kid friendly, because that matches the general audience criteria. It gets kind of confusing. There's a tab somewhere, some videos are better, but I can't seem to find a general audience tab. So my videos are set to general audience by default. So when I upload a video, I won't have to select the bloody kids or not option every time. That's just a pain in the ass. So I'll just say for now that my videos are not for kids. That way it suits the broad range of audiences. Anyway, my record score's there. Nice listening. Thanks for watching.